Alright, here we go. This tree is cracking. This is what we're talking about. Look at this. All the way up there. And he's about to start it. I'm going this way. Trying to get that thing to land right there. Oh dear, here we go. Oh! Boom! Bullseye!
Oh, never hit the skin. Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
You don't need to pay $400 to get anybody out to cut your trees down. Just call us. We'll do it for like 40.
Look at the dog. It's just common. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
All right. So